Good morning, guys! Welcome back
to channel. To our channel.
Today is Thursday and it's nearly 12 ng tanghali. We are going out to see. Nakaget up ang ating mga girlies. Yeah, the clouds. We are going to Mini Bounce in Carindale kasi yung friend namin na si B and yung anak niya si Petra, they invited us to go to the play center, Mini Bounce. Come on guys, hindi pa naman yung aming booking, but maaga kami doon kasi magla-lunch daw kami sa Italian restaurant. Magpipicture daw kami ng pasta. We're doing all these play dates guys kasi last week na ngayon ng school holidays ng mga bata. So, okay. So, sa Monday ay balik school na sa Ate Paris. So, we are making the most of it. Careful, Linley.
Mama, something up. Then I sit again.
Oh, that's your toy.
That's my toy.
Okay, one, two, three, go! Andito na kami sa car park. Itong dalawa ay sobrang ready na.
Mama, wait for me. Okay.
Pabuhat pa more. Oh, good Lord.
Ate.
Ate, let's go. Anak, you're too heavy naman, anak. Hmm? Too heavy. Sabi niya, I can't walk. So,
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can. That's right. Can you walk? No? Yes.
I can do it.
You can't or you can?
I can.
Tignan niyo, nag-stocks na to siya, oh. Oh, para sa, trampoline. Yeah? Hi! Hi! How are you? Good to see you. Hi, Petra.
I actually did it.
No.
I actually told my sister.
Where do you want to sit, Lainey?
Dad.
So, in-order ko yung bolognese, guys. Kasi alam niyo ba, kapag main yung in-order mo, galing dito at hindi sa lunch specials, kasi meron silang lunch specials dito. You will get like free for the kids. So, ito yung in-order ko. And then, I got some pizza for the kids. The margarita pizza. Ayan. Yeah, come here. You can have
another one.
Look at this. It's so cute. This is the margarita.
Yeah.
It's like a smiley face.
I'm smart.
Look at this.
No, they have another one. We're sharing. We have another one coming.
This is so nice.
Share with
Look at the nose.
for me to take photo.
Oh, look at this.
Want to have a mix?
This is so yummy. It looks so good.
I put little faces on all.
Maybe we can put this away, Paris. Paris? No, that's all done. Oh, good. It's alright. We can put it this way. We can put it in the middle.
Yeah, you can have.
There you go, girls. Here? There you go. So, please take your jacket off. You don't need this anymore. Ate, give me your jacket. You don't need it, Baba. Put it on your shirt. Oh, the other way around. There you go. Yay! Let's go. Lini, go follow Ate. Lini! Okay. Whoop! Oh!
me do it. I can win it.
We're done with our games. Where are we going, Lane?
To get ice cream.
To get ice cream. Careful, Paris. Ice cream time. Kailangan gamitin yung ice cream para lumabas. Gentle. Oh, good job.
Look, you win some, you lose some. It's not pretty good.
The black? The black sprinkle. You mean the sprinkle?
On the screen, you mean?
Show me. Show me. Which one? You want the chocolate cone?
I want candy. Yeah. I want chocolate cone.
The chocolate cone as well?
Vanilla cone. Hello guys. Hello guys. We're getting ice cream. Yeah.
Oh, you want to give you cuddle?
Yeah. Where's my sticker?
Oh, it's gone. You dropped it already.
Where?
Somewhere. It's okay. You don't need it anywhere.
I'm going to get
What flavor are you getting?
dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. What are you getting?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. And yours, what was that? You get
Candy Wonderland.
Candy Wonderland.
And actually, and Mama, have gummy bears on mine.
No, actually it's too much. No more gummy bear. You've got like sprinkle on your cone.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's a rainbow.
Can I please have
I'm gonna get vanilla.
one chocolate? Just a small one.
And not
And a chocolate sprinkle cone, please.
Why?
Thank you.
But you can't have family. I can't have it, but my mom will let me choose. But I changed my mind because I always have the Candy Wonderland.
Kids fruit, please. Thank you.
I see something else. How good does it taste?
Really? What did you say to Mama?
Thank you,
You're
Mama.
welcome. Welcome, Mama.
You're the best.
Thank you, Ate. Yum yum? They actually have like a kids scoop.
They have.
That's kids scoop.
Yes,
We're looking for Ate Paris' school shoes, guys. Yung isang school shoes niya ay kinagat ni Louie. Buti na lang yung cheaper one. Are you hungry? You want pizza?
No,
No? You have pizza here.
not pizza.
They're just checking if meron sila nung design kay Ate Paris dito. Kasi gusto ko yun eh. Meron siyang isa pero old na.
Yeah.
You hold that one, Baba. Nagutom sila sa kakalaro. Kailangan din namin bumili ng ganito for New Sports. It's crazy, eh? Yung sinusuot ni Ate Paris ngayon is size 12. This one is size 11 and it won't fit. Maybe this, siguro, no, depende sa style. This one is size 12 and it's too big on her. Well, ask lang if they have it in smaller size.
Like 10?
Yeah, this is 12 and it's so big.
Mom, it's too big.
Yeah,
And do you know what?
I know what else.
When I bought my other shoes, it was size 12 and now it's not. Wait, that's wrong.
Did you shrink lang?
Yes, true. Open it now.
We'll open it at home, okay? Not here. We'll open it at home. You can open that one now, but not the fish. Pumunta kami sa toy shop, guys. Of course, hindi mawawala. And, ayan, nakabili sila ng laruan. Well, nakabili pala ako. Oh my goodness. Pauwi na kami after this. Umupo lang kami ng very slight. Hi guys! So it's now 5:30 and kakauwi lang namin. Baby Celine fell asleep in the car. I moved her, nasa kwarto na siya ngayon, and she is still sleeping. So kaya a bit suki na siya kanina nandun kami sa shop kasi she didn't have a nap kaninang tanghali. Daddy Mike and Ate Paris just left. Pupunta sila ng Kohl's. Bibili sila ng pee-pad ni Louie kasi naubusan na. And aalis na sana kami pupunta ka ng laundry. Kasi si Daddy Mike, mag-gym siya kasi early siya natapos ng work today. So, yung gym niya, yung katabi ay laundry. So, since maginaw na yung panahon guys, hindi siya nagda-dry madali dito sa balcony namin. So, marami kaming kailangang labahan. Ay dadalhin namin sa laundry para isahang na lang ba. Actually, I have puno na yung balcony namin tsaka yung dryer dito. But yung mga naiwan, na lang sa laundry para isahan na lang. But since open siya, ayan. So while nasa shop tayo kanina ay may natanggap tayong, here you go Louie. Here you go. May natanggap tayong delivery from Japan. Buksan natin siya guys. I'm not sure bakit na-open mo ito sa ilalim. Hopefully walang nawala. I'll be really upset kung nawala. Ganito siya pagkarating. Parang na-open siya sa babaw. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited. Ang alam ko hindi ko to in-order. So maybe pa-free to ni Madam. Melody. Ano to siya? Maybe nilagay lang to nila sa ilalim para safe. Ganyan siya. Parang ng bata yung pag nag-change ng diaper. Pero ang cute niya ha. Hindi ko alam saan to gagamitin. Oh well, we'll figure it out later. So isahin natin. Ay, alam niyo ba, natatakot talaga ako kapag mga ganyan. Since nangyari yan sa akin yung ninakaw ko na box. Every time, parang may trust issue na ako ba? Pag may nag-deliver, tapos na-open ng konti, baka kinuna na, alam mo yun, tatakot na ako. Although, meron pala tayong good news. Well, bad news kasi nawala yung box, diba? But the good news is, hindi ako nawala ng pag-asa. I kept pushing them. Sabi nila after 10 days, may result na from investigation. Tapos, after 10 days, wala akong natanggap. 1 month later, wala akong narinig from them. So, minessage ko na naman sila ulit. Sabi ko, I just need to know the result of the investigation. So, sabi nila, kinontak na nila yung sender. Kasi hindi nila ako bibigyan ng information, unfortunately, because, baka maraming mapapanggap na receiver, diba? So, doon talaga sila magko-contact sa sender. So, what happened was, nag-message sa akin na yung sender and sabi na sa pagkakaintindi niya sa message ng UPS ng Korea ay i-refund nila yung shipping fee. So, at least guys, yung shipping fee ay maibabalik sa akin. Kasi, alam niyo ba, sobrang mahal ng shipping fee din. I'd say, let's just say 15,000 pesos. So, ilang, na rin yun? Few $100 na rin yun, diba? So, para sa akin, tanggap ko na naman na wala na yung box at hindi ko na makikita yung box. But I'm glad na inaction na nila at kahit papano, meron pa rin maibabalik kahit hindi na mabalik yung laman ng box and all that. But I'm very glad na may result na it means na talaga nila. Like, hindi nila binaliwala, alam niyo yun. So, hindi ko pa natanggap yung refund. We're still on it. But, yeah. Hinihintay ko na lang yung message ng sender na, mag-confirm sa akin na natanggap na yung refund. And also, still, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa muna ako maniniwala kasi wala pa ako natanggap na refund ng shipping fee. But at least, alam niyo yung pag-asa. Parang may light kang nakikita na, you'll get something from it. So, that's good news. I'm very happy to hear that. But yeah, forever, hindi na mawawala sa akin yung takot na every time may delivery ako, natatakot ako na baka maiwala. Yeah. First item, unang hubot, is this necktie from Gucci. Floral necktie. Ayan siya. Gucci, dry clean only, cool iron, do not use petroleum solvents, all silk, made in Italy. Ayan. So, ayan guys, sa mga taga-Australia, expect nyo ito sa ating eBay store. Ayan, we'll just take nice photos, tapos post natin yan. Kasi hindi ko naman to magagamit, kasi Daddy Mike hindi nagagamit ng necktie. And, second item. Hindi marami yung laman ng box ito guys. Maliit ng box. So, this is cute. This is like, I think it's vintage. Gucci shoulder bag. Oh, wow. This is nice. Oh, wow. Bagay siya sa aking suot today. Wow. Gold na gold. Uy. Napakaganda pa ng kanyang condition sa labas. Oh. The side. Hala, ang ganda nito. Be open. Paano i-open? It's colored. Paano ba ito i-open? Ako na talaga. Alam niyo ba, first time ko makakita ng style na bag na to. But, ngayon, hindi ko lang alam. Ganun pala. Push down pala ito. Okay. So, that's what the inside looks like. Ayan. So, sa loob, guys, meron siyang mga wrinkling na nagaganap. But, it's nothing major. Ano to? Gucci na mga papeles. Ayan. Just needs a little bit of, wiping, ganun. Dito sa kanyang zipper puller, may Gucci, and it's brown leather sa loob. Hindi nyo lang makikita guys, but meron siyang mga wrinkles dyan. But, as mentioned, nothing major. So, ayan. I think, yeah, I'll sell this one. As much as I like it, I have so many bags now guys that kailangan ko na talagang mag-let go ng aking mga bags. Kasi napakarami na nila. Hindi na kasya sa bahay guys. Wala na akong space sa bahay. Pwede na lang bag. But yeah, that is super nice. What do you think about this bag? I think this will go quick. Actually, I'm gonna take this to the studio this Sunday kasi mabibenta tayo. And I guess someone will grab it straight away. This is super nice. And then, next item. Itong pearls. Accessories lang ito siya. Pinili ko kasi ang cute eh. Diba? Very nice. Pearls ng silanganan. Like that. And I guess you can also... Pwede ba itong dublihin ba? I think you can. Like that. Ganyan siya. Maganda naman siya, diba? Oh. Hindi lang siya bagay sa suot ko ngayon. But, yeah, appropriate na dress or something. It's gonna look nice. Okay. Next item is this Gucci na key holder. Wow, condition is still very good, huh? Look at that. Ayan. Oh, wow. Hala, napakaganda pa niya. I think this is a great buy. Ayan, marami akong nakita ganito sa, online. Mahal-mahal pa. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 ring. Hala, very nice siya. Wala pang peeling or any scratches. Wala. Tapos gold na gold pa ang kanyang hardware. Ayan. Wow, this is a great buy. Gagamitin ko kaya ito. Para mabenta. Ano ba? Nasaan ba yung akin, ha? This is what I'm using at the moment. My Louis Vuitton one. Sobrang... Ano na to, guys? Hala! God, hindi ko alam. Hala, ako na yun. Hala guys, meron akong $100 dito. Hala, paano yun nangyari? Dito, oh. Hindi ko na kasi ito ino-open talaga kasi ganyan, oh. Yung sa sasakyan ba na key. Ganyan lang. Pag umaalis ako, ganyan, bit-bit ko. Pero hindi ko alam na 100 pala ako dito. Ako na talaga. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings. Minsan talaga, hindi ko na alam kung saan ko na nailagay. Anyway, so I'm very happy. $100. Pero kung hindi ko siya chinek, kung hindi ko to na, na-open, hindi ko alam na may $100 ako dito. So put this away now, baka may wala ko na naman. The next item is a silk scarf. Na sobrang ganyan, ganda niya. I was thinking of not selling it, guys. Gusto ko to siyang ipa-frame. Ang dami ko nang gustong ipa-frame na scarf. Gusto ko talagang gumawa ng, yung parang wall lang ba na puro frame na mga scarf na mga favorite ko. Meron akong Celine dyan. Meron din akong Chanel. O gusto kong ipa-frame. Kasi magandang tingnan. Parang siya ba? Wall decor ba? Ito siya. Tingnan niyo. Oh. Napakaganda. Diba? Very colorful. Ayan ang kanyang Gucci dyan. Lovely. Ang kanyang etiketa is still intact, which is really good. 100% silk, made in Italy. Beautiful. And the last, but not the least, ito meron tayong wow. Binalo talaga nila ng mabuti. Oh, nilagyan nila ng ganito. I love it when they care. Kasi nababasag to eh. And this one is mug. Mug ba to? Cup? Anong tawag dito? It is Givenchy Paris na ganito. So, hindi ko to siya gagamitin, ha? Ano ko lang, pang tawag dito, pang decorate, or if Mike's mom likes it, because I don't know, I think it was her or someone else. Mahilig sa ganito ba? Iririgalo ko. I'll ask Mike's mom kung gusto niya to. Dalhin namin sa Melbourne. Maganda eh. Apat to sila, na ganito. Set. Yeah, that was it. That was ating haul for today's video from Japan. That's right.
No!
You have to put it in the water, honey.
No!
See, I'm putting it. Huh? Let me put more water, okay?
I can try how to do it. You just leave it in the water and it will...
Yeah, and it will swim.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, we need more water. Show it to Tita here. Oh, show here. Show your toy.
Do I have to show it to the camera?
Show. Look, we bought a toy from the shop today.
Do you want to put it in now?
Ang ating Ate Paris ay niya guys, patient niya. Hinintay niya talaga magising ang kanyang kapatid kasi sabi ko, hindi pwedeng, hindi pwedeng anuhin niya na wala itong maliit. Yeah, we'll see. I think it will. What do you reckon? Maybe one more, yeah?
Yeah, maybe one more.
Yay! You excited? I think have some more chicken, please.
I'm gonna put it in water.
Yeah, just put it in the water. Yeah. Just go eat first. Come on, honey. Hang on. We'll wait for you. Just have some more chicken.
One more.
And then come back. I'll make it big. Okay, Lini. Come back na lang.
What?
Yes. Should be enough now. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so according to the instruction, guys, ilalagay lang daw.
Put it in the water.
Okay, put it in the water like that. Just hold it like that. And apparently, Louis, hang anak. Apparently. Nak, Louis, Lini, hold here too long. Hold it too long. Lini.
It's coming out.
Yeah. Hold Lini. Oh, wow. Don't touch. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute lumabas dyan. That's her food.
Where is it?
Yeah, Lini's got it. Put it in the water. No lang. You hold it and put it in the water. Like this. Oh my god. Like this. Like this. See? He'll follow. See?
He'll eat it. Fishy. Don't be Stop! It's coming! Oh, he's coming. He's coming.
This good kasi malaki yung kanyang ano.
Hey, come on.